Good morning, students. So today I will teach you literal constants, literal or constants. So today I will teach you this. So constant means what? The constant means you don't change the letters or values. That is called to literals. Okay. This is literals. C++ having so kind of letters, so many things. So many things means several kind of literals is there. That is a literals are a data item whose value does not change. Sir, why you didn't change means that is a literals is a constants. So literals is a constant means the constant didn't change. The literals is a changes. Okay, that is a literals is a changes means that is what does changes means that is a constant. The constant 0 to 9 அப்படிங்கிற நம்பர் சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியுமா? Is not never. So that is called constant. Okay, that and all what constant is there in C++ I will discuss today. So listen to me. So that is a literal, that is a constant. Okay, next word is this numeric constant. Numeric constant, there are two types, that is a integer constant, real constant. Okay, next one more thing, what does that means? That is a boolean constant, character constant, then string literal or string constants. That is a change that. Okay, so these and all mainly four types of constant is there. What is the first one? Numeric constant. Numeric and boolean and character and string. There are four main constant is there. Okay, first of all, I will discuss numeric constant. Sir, numeric constant means what, sir? The numeric means that is a numeric value. Numerical value means what? That is a 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Otherwise, what is this? Integer value or dot decimal value, whatever value. That is called to, that is a numeric constant. There are two classification. That is what is this? That is a integer constant or real. The second one, real constant. Integer constant, the fixed points constants. Real constant means the floating point constant. Real constant means that is what is this? The floating point constant. See here, the integer constant means that is a 0 to 9. I will teach you now. That is a 0 to 9 means what? That is a at least one digit without decimal points. Without decimal points means that is called what? Integer points. Integer constants. Okay, that is a there are three types of integer constant is there. One is decimal, one is octal, one is a hexadecimal constant. So integer constants also there are three types is there. That is a first one decimal, second one hexadecimal. Okay, sir, that is how to valid or invalid. You can check the decimal. Decimal was say here. Decimal means this 0 to 9. The any sequence of one or two, one or more digits is called 0 to 9. That is a negative number or big number, whatever it is. Okay, see here, that is a valid in, see here, this is 7 to 5. 7 to 5 means that is a invalid. That is a 7 comma 50 comma is not allowed. Minus 27 valid, but 66 space 5 blank space is not accepted. Okay, next word is 4.56 is a valid. $9 the special character is not allowed. So this is called, that is a decimal value examples. Okay, this is a decimal value examples. Okay, good. So now I will teach you. See here, if you assign the 4.5 the integer decimal constant, that compiler accept only the digital portion alone. Digital 4.56 means that is a 4 is a simple value. The simply 5.6 dot 56 is here is not omitted. That is here omitted. Okay, good. So now I will teach you second one, octal. The second one is a octal. Octal number means what does it means? That is a sequence of 0 to 7 only is there. So decimal value means 0 to 9. That is a octal means 0 to 7. So 0 to 7 means what does it mean? That is a octal number. That is a the sequence of one or more octal value that is begin with 0 is considered to octal constant. Begin with 0 na first 0 வா ஒரு நம்பர்ல இருந்ததுனா அதை என்ன செய்யும் ஆக்டலா கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிக்கும் C++ language. So C++ language it can occur the 0 to 7. Okay, thank you students. Now I will teach you second next topic, so listen to me. So next what does it means? See here, octal values are invalid or valid. See here 0 12 is a valid, that is a octal number, comma is not allowed. That is a minus 0 27, that is a valid. 4.56 decimal points is not allowed here. Okay, octal number is not decimal points, it can accept. Okay, plus 024, that is accept. But 0158 8 is not permissional. Why? You can 0 to 7 only, it is a permissional. Okay, octal number what is this? 0 to 7 only. Here what is this? 8 is there. So 8 is there means it is a wrong. So that is a invalid. Okay, good. That is next I will teach you. That is a, see here, when you use the fractional number that begin with 0, C++ consider to the number as a integer not a octal. So 0 irunduna, that is a octal number if you convert. Okay, so next I will teach you hexadecimal. So hexadecimal means what? Hexadecimal means the 0 to 9, after that 10 to 15 it is a AF, up to AF. So this number how to consider means start means that is a 0x at 0x, that is a capital X and small x. That is a 0 is not per O, 0x and 0x, capital X or small x. Okay, this is how to prefix means the prefix. Say here 0x 1 2 3 means hexadecimal, 0x 5 6 8 means that is a hexadecimal. But here what is this? Comma is not allowed, decimal points also is not allowed. So octal number liyu hexadecimal number liyu is not accepted in the decimal points. Okay, the suffix L or U added means with any constants force, it is the means they represent to the long and unsigned respectively. That is the unsigned, that is the long means long unsigned end also is there. Long means what? Long digit. Then U means that is the unsigned. The U means what? Unsigned numbers. So these and all I will teach you later. So L means long, U means unsigned. Okay, so this is called prefix, suffix, anything is there, this only you can understand. Okay, good. Next constant, it is a real constant or floating point constant. So real constant and floating point constant means it is a fractional part is having dot is there. Next one, what is this? Exponent also is there. So these and all is there means that is called real constant or floating point constant. Okay, real constant or floating point constant. So these are how to declare means just I will teach you. So floating points, it is a sign number also is there, then negative number also is there. So this is called what? There is a real numbers. Okay, this is a that is a exponent form of real constant considered. There is a two types, that is a Mandisa and exponent. Mandisa and exponent. Mandisa must be either integer or real numbers. Then Mandisa followed by letters is a E, that is a capital E or small e. The exponent also capital E and small e. So this is C here, that is here 58000000 double zero C here 000000 totally 6 zeros. Then after that, see here, this is how to write, means that is a simplification of this like. So this like you should write. So 0.0.58 into 10 to the power of 8 or 0.58 EH, that is a EH. So that like also you should write. So Mandisa means that is a before E is there means Mandisa. Exponent means after that means 8, that is a exponent, that is a, and that is a, some example is there. So listen to me. See here 5.864 E1, that is how to write, means 10 to the power of 1 into 5.8, that is a 58.64. Next one is this e power of minus 2. Minus 2 means this like you can write, means so 58 into 58.64. Next this like is there, means so same value. So this is a conversion of the Mandisa and the exponent. Okay, good. So next I will teach you Boolean constant. Boolean constants is nothing. The Boolean returner are used to represent to the Boolean value true or 1. True means 1, 1 means false. So this is called Boolean constant. Then character constant, what does it means? Character means is nothing. So character means single quotes character enclosed means that is a character. In case string is there means double quotation if you followed by the containing the letters, more characters. So this is called, that is a character constant. So character constants you get valid, invalid also is there. Valid character, then invalid also is there. So the value of single characters constant has a equivalent of ASCII value. The ASCII value means capital A means 65, then capital B means 66, so small a means 97, small a means that is a 97. These and all last year also you can learn that. Okay, this is a each and everything is there. Sir, is not last year didn't you teach, so this year only you learn in C++. So this is called what? That is a characteristics. Okay, the characteristics, that is a escape sequence there, then non-graphic character also is there, non-graphic also is there. So non-graphic means what, sir? Non-graphic means there is a bell sound, this and all is there, non-graphic. There is a C++ certain non-printable character represent to the character, there is a character constant. Non-printable character are also called non-graphic constants. So this is called non-graphic constant. The graphic constant also is there. Graphic constant means it is a printer. It is a printer. So that is a escape sequence operator. Escape sequence operator or non-numeric characters. So next topic I will teach you. See here that escape sequence character what and all is there. Just I will teach you. So listen carefully. See here, that is see here. Slash A you can write means alphabet or alert bell cell. Next backspace, form feed, new line, then carriage return, horizontal tab, vertical tab, backspace, single quotes, double quotes, question mark, that is a octal numbers, then hexadecimal, then null. So these and all is called escape sequence operator. Escape sequence operators. So even though you can escape sequence operators attend the two characters, they should be enclosed within single quotes because the C++ considers to escape sequence character. So escape sequence if you declare means that is a maintained single quotes. In case double quotes you can give it means that is a, what is this? That is a is not considered in the non-graphic. So these and all it is a non-graphic constant, non-graphical constant. Okay, do you know that is what is there means? See here, that is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, was first developed and published means 1963. 1963 you can develop. Okay, sir, by the develop X3 committee is the part of the American Standard Association. That is a part of association. So these and all, what is this? These and all, it is a escape sequence operator. Okay, the last one I will teach you, that is a string literal. String literal means what? That is a sequence of character enclosed in double quotes. The end of the character, that is called null character. End of the character is called null character. See here, for example is there. So listen. See here, value of string literal. A welcome 1 2 3. Invalid string, that is a welcome comma 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 4 4. Okay, this is called, what is this? This is a welcome 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that is a string literal. So today I will teach you. So listen. So integer constant I will teach you. Next one, what is this? Float, that is a character constant. Next one, string constant. Then what is this? Next one I will teach you, that is a floating point constants. Floating point constants. This is a character constant, string constant, character string constant, then integer constant. The integer constants are two types, that are floating point constant. Next one is a real constant. So this and all I will teach you, that is a constant. Okay, so this is called, that is a constant of the C++. These and all is there. Okay, thank you students.